Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Just in case it's the first time, I'm Joy by name. Thank you very much for stopping by. In today's video, I won't be cooking. We're going to be exploring the 7 essential ingredients that every kitchen needs at all time in order to make meal plan much more easier, and this will enable you to be able to achieve a delicious and healthy meal in a snap. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, this will be a perfect moment for you to do so by hitting the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you don't afford to miss any of my videos. So without waste of time, let's get right into it. The first essential ingredient I have on my list is cooking oil. The first one I have here is palm oil, and with it you can actually make soup or any local delicacy that require palm oil without any worry. The second cooking oil I have here is the vegetable oil. I have the power oil product. It's a very healthy oil with zero trans fat and cholesterol. It actually comes in different sizes, which makes it much more affordable for everyone. It's ideal for both cooking and frying. I also have some margarines here. You can use it for both cooking and frying. For the second essential ingredient, I call them the taste enhancers. For the first one, I have salt. Just a pinch of it can actually transform your meal into something extraordinary. I also have a pack of cube sugar here. Most times I use them for baking or any recipe that requires sugar. For salt and sugar, moderation should be practiced because excessive intake of them can actually lead to certain health problems. The third essential ingredient I have on my list are the canned products. I have Juno tomato over here. It's actually a brand that I'm most passionate about. Packaged tomatoes like this are also healthy because they are packed with lots of nutrients like the fresh ones. They are a total savior in seasons like this where fresh tomatoes are so expensive, and with them you can actually make a delicious pot of jollof rice, stew, pasta, or any meal of your choice. So the fourth essential ingredients are seasonings. First, I have seasoning cubes over here. Not chicken products is actually my favorite because they add this not signature taste to your meal. I also have some curry and thyme tiger products. You can choose to purchase any product of your choice. These seasonings add lots of flavor to your dish, and just little of it in your meal is actually very okay. You can also add any other spice option to this seasoning section. The fifth on my list is baking items. I have some all-purpose flour here, baking powder and cornstarch. With them you can easily make some pancakes, donuts, mini bread, chin-chin, just to name them, within the comfort of your home. You can also use them in cooking. For corn flour, you can actually use them as thickener for your chicken curry sauce. You can also use flour in cooking certain meals like yam piccata, which is my favorite yam recipe. If you haven't watched any of this video, be sure to check them up in my channel. The next essential ingredients on my list, I call them the flavor builders. The first one is onion. I love onion, and I usually love to purchase them in different sizes just so I could be able to use them according to the size of meal I'm cooking instead of having to cut and just keep them. I also have some ginger and garlic here. So sauteing onion, ginger and garlic in oil helps to intensify the flavor of your meal and give it that rich sweet taste. So the last but not the least ingredient on my list are proteins. I have liquid milk, the Friesland products here. You can choose to also purchase the powdered ones, and you can easily add them to your smoothies, to your baking items like pancake, to your custard, and even to your gari, or any recipe that actually require milk. The next protein I have here are eggs. Eggs are actually a very good source of protein because they contain the 9 essential amino acids. You can choose to boil them, fry them, use them to make sauce or any recipe of your choice. It's actually the cheapest form of protein and can be used as a great substitute for red meat. So these are basically the 7 essential ingredients that every kitchen needs at all time. All you just need to do is to purchase the perishables, that is the vegetables, and the main food item in order to have a healthy mouth-watering meal in your table at all time. Let me know in the comment section if there is any essential ingredients that you think I missed out. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye!